Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifunanya, and if you're a first-time subscriber, thank you guys for watching and for subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you to everyone who has liked my video, who has shared my content. You guys are the best. So today, like I always say, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you guys what I came up with today, showing you guys that with just Canva and Capcut you can create a simple YouTube intro. So this intro is for my Instagram friend. She was complaining that she didn't have a YouTube intro, and I just went ahead to create this for her. Hopefully she likes it. These blue and pink are not really my style. I'm more of a white and black girl, but I went ahead and designed it anyways, and I like it, and I hope she likes it. So this is me on Canva, basically just editing, adding one or two things. To be very honest, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you guys what I did. And yeah, thank you guys for supporting me this past few days, this past few weeks. I have not uploaded any content, but I've seen you guys subscribing and liking previous videos. Thank you guys for watching. Let me just leave you guys to watch, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Damn, I'm tripping now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rockin' with my crew. Yeah, they're wild, so if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now. I think I'm ready now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rockin' with my crew. Yeah, they're wild, so if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now.
All night we've been rapping. Come we slide out and get active. They know I rep my hood with a passion. Still jump on the beats and start spazzing. Yeah, we got notes, and I ain't talking about the mashing. Nah, don't worry about the man them. It's sorta like a catch-10. I mean 22, but when you trying to do, you been know me from wheels on the moves. I told her I was a different youth. So the road king, I ain't got to prove. She still give me grief when I was in the booth. Ray and a friend, I didn't check the proof. Done past my limit, couldn't whip the coupe. Phone beating up, put that shit on me. Can we shoot?
I think I'm ready now. 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 I got a glitch. Oh, it just hit me now. I'm feeling this switch up. Flashing lights and muffled sounds. Tell me what was in that stuff you gave me. I think I like it. In fact, it made me high pitched. It just hit me now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rockin' with my crew. Yeah, they're wild, so if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now. I think I'm ready now. Caught in a ditch, and now that I've come down, I'm on the fritz. God damn it, I'm tripping now. But what was in that stuff you gave me? I think I like it. In fact, it made me glitch. Damn, I'm tripping now. wanna get down, rockin' with my crew. Yeah, they're wild, so if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now. I think I'm ready now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rockin' with my crew. Yeah, they're wild, so if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now.
All night we've been rapping. Come we slide out and get active. They know I rep my hood with a passion. Still jump on the beats and start spazzing. Yeah, we got notes, and I ain't talking about the mashing. Nah, don't worry about the man them. It's sorta like a catch-10. I mean 22, but what you trying to do? You been know me from wheels on the moves. I told her I was a different youth. So the road king, I ain't got to prove. She still give me grief when I was in the booth. Ray and a friend, I didn't check the proof. Done past my limit, couldn't whip the coupe. Phone beating off, put that shit on me. Can we shoot?
I think I'm ready now.